Welcome. And now we'll discuss about the transformer. So there are few transformer in the Kustomize and let's see what they will do. So prefix suffix transformer. Prefix suffix transformer automatically modifies metadata.name of resources by adding text before or after the name. So why this is used? Some app multiple environment, then it will have the use case. Same YAML but different release, or if we want to recreate the resources and avoiding the name collision in the same cluster.
The name's Bond. James Bond.
Original customized file, original resource file, where name is Sherry, and then we want to YAML. Here, if we use name suffix lady, then the file become then output of this customization.yaml, or when we apply, when we create a resources, then the name is Sherry lady. So let's see
The name's Bond. James Bond.
original file name equal to bond, and then he will apply the customize of prefix
James Bond.
James. So this is the example of suffix, and now we'll see the example of prefix. So here the name is bond. Now he'll apply James, then the output would be James Bond. So let's see a quick demo of this cherry.yaml. So I'll create with this, I'll change this name to Sherry, not required. So wcube, I'll create a customization.yaml. So I'll create a directory first. So mkdir or pre suffix mv cherry.yaml to suffix. So cd suffix ls control l ls, and now I'll create a customization.yaml YAML. So here I will define resource, and resource here YAML, and will define what we need to change. So we are changing name suffix and will write lady. So k apply hyphen k or k build hyphen k and dot. So deployment is created. So we'll see k get deployment and k describe deployment. So if you see here, then here you'll find Sherry lady. So this way our suffix transformer will do. We can apply suffix prefix both, but first we'll apply the suffix transformer. Now cd dot and mkdir p prefix. So cd prefix and create one YAML file vi gems.yaml. So copy paste. Instead of name Neokloud, here I will write gems. Sorry, I will write bond. So wcube, and now I'll create customization.yaml. So I'll write name prefix gems and resource is .yaml. Now I can apply k apply hyphen k dot. We are in the current directory, otherwise we have to write the full path. So James is created. So k get deployment. So here James Bond. So copy and describe. Already you can see that James Bond is the name, but we can describe it. So here you will find the name is James Bond. So this way we have seen transformer with this is prefix suffix transformer. So we cannot change the name. So prefix suffix transformer only can add text. It cannot be replaced. Means name cannot be replaced. To change the name property completely, we can use customize patch, and we can do that, but after creation we cannot do it because it is immutable after the resource is been created. So you can change it before the apply via customize patch or build. You cannot change it on a running resources. Kubernetes will reject it. So let's one more time. I will try to do it. So k apply hyphen k dot. So it will create a new resources. Sorry, it will reject resources because our file is still showing that name. So here you will see that bond is unchanged. If I want to change that customized file, and here instead of gems, I'll write one more. So new resource would be created. So James Bond new resource is created. Okay, get. So here you will see James Bond is created. So Kustomize itself has no version control. Versioning is handled by Git or other VCS, not by the Kustomize. So prefix and suffix transformer can only add text. It cannot remove or strip anything from the name. So it is still clear. We'll see next transformer in next lesson.